Hello guys, today you are here with Tamsin from St. George's Methodist Church, and today we are going to ask this wonderful lady some questions. What is your name, Auntie?
Auntie Rose,
And how old are you?
85.
For how long have you been in the WA for?
Oh, for I don't even remember how many years, but I was in the W with my grandma. I started with her
How was the first 2 days of the WA?
of today.
Yes, and
Very
yesterday.
good, very interesting, and we have also learned a lot
And for how many years have you
in the WA. Oh, over 40, 50 years. I'm long in the
yeah,
W. I was still attending my nursing career, and I started with the WA.
and what else? What is a message that you would like to send to the young children of today?
Of today, listen to your elderly people, listen to your parents, take example from them. They will never lead you on a wrong way.
Thank you.